In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google Drive folder to another folder, the full 2025 guide. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for organizing and managing your files online, but sometimes you need to rearrange things a bit. Moving a folder from one place to another might seem straightforward, but it's important to do it correctly to ensure nothing gets lost along the way. So, let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll want to open Google Drive on your computer. You can simply do this by navigating to the Google Drive website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the folder that you intend to move. It could be anywhere in your drive, but for this example, let's assume it's right there in My Drive. Once you found your desired folder, the next step is to right-click on it. A menu will pop up with a variety of options, but for this task, you need to look for the Move To option. Clicking this will initiate the process of transferring your folder. The Move To feature is really handy because it ensures that you're meticulously choosing the correct destination for your folder. It helps you avoid any accidental misplacements that can occur if you're not careful with a simple drag and drop. Now that you've clicked on Move To, you'll need to navigate through your drive to find the destination folder where you want to move your original folder. Use this moment to double check that you're placing it in the right spot, ensuring that all your files remain well organized. Once you've successfully found and selected your destination folder, you'll see a Move button. Clicking that will finalize the transfer. This step is critical. Pressing Move will confirm everything and swiftly relocate your folder to the designated location. It's a seamless process that maintains your drive's overall organization and structure. Going through this method has its pros and cons. On the upside, this approach is incredibly precise, which is crucial for maintaining order and avoiding any accidental misplacement of files and folders. However, it could be a bit slower compared to the more traditional drag and drop technique, especially if you're just moving one folder a short distance within the same view. On the flip side, this extra step helps prevent errors and ensures you've placed everything exactly where you planned. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to move folders efficiently within Google Drive, maintaining your digital workspace neat and organized. This process is straightforward yet essential for managing your drive effectively. So go ahead, take control of your files, and enjoy the seamless organization that Google Drive offers.